Nearpod makes differentiating lessons and checking reports super simple, and I will show you just how to do that. When you go to your library dashboard, you'll see all of your Nearpod lessons. If you have, for example, an honors class and a regulars class, you can find the lesson that you want to modify, and you can click the three dots and duplicate the lesson. Once the lesson is duplicated, it'll take you directly into that lesson, but you can view it. Going back to your library, you will see that there is two of the same exact lessons. The original one will be to the right. As you can see, the new one, it says changes not saved yet, so you can leave that one as is for your regulars, and then if you want to modify it and add something, maybe an activity or a quiz, you just click edit, and you can modify it by moving the slides around. You can delete a few slides if you'd like. So let's say you don't want to show your honors group this because you know that they already have background knowledge in it. You can just replace it with whatever you'd like, a content slide or an activity slide. And that is how you differentiate your lessons. When it comes to checking reports, you simply go to your library and you find the lesson that you want to check reports on. So here's this lesson. You click the three dots and you click on reports. That then takes you to the lesson itself. You click on it again, and then you'll see different sessions. So if you made different codes, one for each period, you'll click on each code, and you'll see which code goes to what period because it's time stamped. So 8:16 could only be first period. So I would click on the session, and then I can see the student participation. I can see all my students' names. So another important tip is make sure that they use their first and last name. And then this is just a summary of their participation. I can see here that there's 2 Allies, and this one's 0%. And she told me she logged in twice. The first time it wasn't successful, so the second time, 100% participation. And I like that it's separated by periods. So these are all my period 1 kids. And I had 2 activity slides, and I can check those individually. My open-ended questions, I had 2, and you can actually see their responses if you wanted to grade it that way. And then the collaborate board, I can see everything that they collaborated on. So I can just view the class board. And any other activity that they may have had, such as a quiz, it will all be in there graded. If you would like to keep this for your records, you can download it as a PDF, or you can share it with an email. And this is great to keep records of the students and their participation.